Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this pandemic, it is highly recommended for us to stay at home and be safe. But we all know how much we miss ABS or Barbecue Nation and their style of food. So today we have an exciting recipe coming up, that is corn on the cob. We all know how much huge fans we are for crispy corn in Barbecue Nation and corn on the cob. So let's check out the recipe and see how we make it very easily at home. Let's see the ingredients that we need to make corn on the cob Barbecue Nation style. Firstly, we need 2 pieces of corn, peri peri sauce, butter to toss the corn once it's boiled, salt, red chili powder and lemon. Let's get into the process. For that, first let's cut the corn into 2 pieces each and boil it. So first let's open the corn and wash it thoroughly. Make sure to cut the edges of the corn properly before you boil them. We just need 2 pieces of this one. So I have washed the corn thoroughly and cut the edges. Now it looks like this. Make sure to get sweet corn for that exact taste and texture. Now let's cut each of these corns into 2 pieces and add them to the boiling water. There you go. Repeat the same for the other corn as well. Let's add a spoonful of salt to the water and bring it to the boil. Once the water is boiled, let's add corn to this and close the vessel with a lid. Now that the corn is boiling, let's close the vessel. Let it boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now we have got the boiled corn ready. Let's turn on the stove, keep a tandoori pan like this, add some butter and add a corn to this. I have taken Milky Mist butter. Let's add 2 cubes of this size to this. Now as the butter is all melted properly, let's add the boiled corn to this. Now let's flip the corn till it gets cooked properly and toasted. While the corn is getting toasted in the butter, let's add some salt and chili powder. I have taken half a tablespoon of salt and a very little chili powder. Let's toss the whole thing. Now that the corn is getting toasted properly, let's add some peri peri sauce to it. This is the main ingredient that makes it look like Barbecue Nation style and taste be the exact same. I have taken the Weba peri peri sauce. Now let's add some sauce to this corn. After adding the peri peri sauce, it looks like this. Now let's toss the corn properly in the pan before we take it out. Our dish is almost done and ready to serve. Let's check if it's tossed properly all over. Yes, it's done. Let's turn off the stove and serve it hot. Now our dish is all completed and ready to be served. Garnish it with a little lemon and butter if needed, per your taste. That's it for today guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Buzzle.
Looking forward to create more content for you.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to the Telangana Girl Hustle Bustle. Stay home, stay safe and be happy. Take care of your family members and yourself too.